Hello everyone, welcome back. Today the title of our video is how we can create working SaaS product prototype with the help of Lovable AI. In the previous video I had shown you how you can use Lovable AI to create e-commerce Shopify store. Today I will show you about creating a SaaS product prototype. So let's get into it. First of all, go for the Lovable AI. So this is the website lovable.dev. You can simply search this website in your browser and you will come over to this page. Okay, so before writing any prompt, you make sure you are already signed in to this website. I have already created my account in the previous video, so that's why my account is already logged in. So if you are new on this website, you have to first create your account by just clicking on the sign up button. You will see the sign up button here, but in my case I have already logged in. Okay, so here we will write a prompt about creating a SaaS product. So I'm writing create a working SaaS product prototype on social media caption generators. Okay, so that's the prompt that I have given to the Lovable AI. After giving the prompt, you just need to click on this button, or you can also press enter button to continue. Okay, so if you don't have any ideas about SaaS product, you can get some ideas from the chat GPT. Okay, and then you can implement those any of the SaaS product prototype here in a command. Okay, so I have given it the command and now it has started thinking. Okay, so it will take some time. It will maybe it asks us to give some permissions, so we will allow them. Okay, and if there any comes option, I will let you know. So as you can see that it has thought for 33 seconds and it has given us some uh, introductory the features of this version that we have created. So it will create a working SaaS product for social media caption generator, and it will be modern AI writing tools like Jasper or Copy AI. It will use these tools. Okay, feature of this version will be hero section with clear value proposition, working caption generator with platform and tone selection. Okay, so these are the features and these are the design approach. So here is ask me to enable cloud, so I will give it allow. So I'm do it always allow, and then I will click on this allow button, and then it will start thinking again, and it will do all the basic steps for creating that SaaS product, and it will also create a proper web page for that working SaaS product prototype. So finally, as you can see that after a lot of waiting time, I have just paused the video, so that's why I don't see the time it has taken. So it has taken around 5 to 7 minutes, and it has made like 14 edits, and it has finally implemented this feature into our SaaS product. Okay, so here you can see that this is the basic or the eye-catching overall interface of our SaaS product. It has also added some these stats, and here users can create their own post. They just need to enter some details about their post, and they need to choose the platform, and then they can choose the tone of their caption, and it will create a caption for them. So that's all about how you can create a working SaaS prototype with the help of Lovable AI. Meanwhile, you can also publish your SaaS product through this publish button, and when you click on this publish button, then you can easily publish your SaaS product. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.